all the details start to sink in. But I don't care about the right now.
The ideas actually work.
Spend the summer in this beach house. 'Cause I was trying to play my part.
It's 1:25 p.m. and I am barely having breakfast. Me and my cousin Anna made overnight oats last night on FaceTime. Pretty good. I've been putting off cleaning my room, decluttering my room for 2-3 weeks now, ever since I cleaned my boutique. So today I have to do it. And I have to deliver an order in the post office, which closes at 4. So I'm in a time crunch, and I'm barely having breakfast, and Manuela wants to go outside. So, yeah, I don't want to clean my room, but we have to clean my room. This is literally a mess. So let's go clean my room now. My husband's asleep, so we're gonna do a little whispering ASMR now. Blanket, so I gotta put this in there. You probably can't even tell, but it's in there. Now it's heavy. It's freaking took me quite some time, I'm not gonna lie. Break from decluttering to go deliver this. I still have it open because I need to print the package slip and print the shipping label because we don't have a printer here. So hopefully let me do it at the post office and we can deliver it.
You're about to be featured on her next vlog.
Henry's awake now and he's gaming. Found my DS, so I'm charging it and let's see if it still works. I literally just plugged it in, but I'm excited, and I have it in this cute little bag, my Hello Kitty bag. I've always had it in here. I have like all the games still.
Oh, okay.
I have this little thing with games. So I have this game, whatever game's in there. I don't know what this game is. Remember, I have the Mario one and I have the Hannah Montana game, so I don't know if that's one of the games is in there. Probably a Hannah Montana one. Oh no, look, it's here.
Wow.
And I don't know if I have anything else. I think that's it. Oh my god, I forgot I had this. It's some cute necklaces we bought in Barcelona. And then this one of my mom's coworker made for me and Henry. So basically when you put the light, look, you put the light through here and then you can see us. It's like a picture.
So many opportunities for
it's so cute, right? Also this little purse I bought from Barcelona, I just totally forgot about. So my DS actually worked. So I want to see if I remember how to play this. What? Why isn't it going? I don't remember how to play. What? I don't remember how to do this. Can I just go? No, I spend money. What? Oh, I could have just gone and I spent money without knowing. What? I'm so confused. Oh my god, I finally figured it out.
Oh, what are you gonna... I'm there.
Awesome. Oh my god, I died.
Crazy, 'cause
Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I didn't finish my closet because honestly, it was a lot. I did my vanity as best as I could, but I'm missing a lot of the organizing bins for my vanity. So even my vanity is like clean, but like it could be better. But at least I got rid of those 2 suitcases that I was really like, I had in here for a while. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, just make sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for my next video. Love y'all.